Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Fabio and today I'm super excited to show you my new camera, the Canon EOS M100. I am super thrilled by this because I've been filming all my yoga videos through my iPhone and finally I upgraded to this awesome camera. So I cannot wait to show you. Today is going to be an unboxing video. Hopefully my video quality is gonna get a lot better. So without further ado, let's get started. I was very lucky actually because the camera, I went to see this camera 2 days4 at the mall and it was 539 euros, but today they started a promotion so they sold it for 449 instead, which I was very happy about obviously. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So, the awesome box. So in here, wow, I'm gonna start dropping things already. That's not good. So this is the manual. So I'm gonna have to read through it because I've never used a camera like this before. And I guess this is a warranty or something. And the great thing about this Canon is that I can cash back 50 euros. So it was like a great deal. I think it was a great deal. We started good. Perfect. So there's a few information things right here. And as soon as you open the box, wow, there's a lot of things in it. I thought there was just a camera packed together, wrapped in some bubble wrap. But I guess not. I guess I have to figure it out all by myself. So in these moments I wish Yanni was here because he's a photographer and he always helps a lot. So I can see a charger. I guess this is the charger. I hope so. And I see this is the battery charger. So we're gonna open it in a minute. I'm a bit OCD, so I like things laid down nicely. So I believe this will be the body of the... No, it's not. Wow, expensive guys, expensive. So let's unwrap this. I got it in a silver color because we have a few cameras and they're all black and I said, why not? So this is the one, beautiful. Hopefully I will not break anything today. And this is the little battery, which I believe I will have to charge. And let's see what else is inside. Hopefully the real camera. So there we go. Nice wrap. Oh, I am so in love with this color. It's a bit vintage and I really love it. It has this awesome flip screen, which is going to be super helpful when I have to record my videos. And wow, it's gonna be great. I hope the quality is amazing. All right, I don't really know how to use it, so I'm gonna have to read through the package in order to do so. But I'm gonna put it right here for now. Other than that, I believe, what is this? I've got absolutely no clue. Let's open and find out. Oh wow! Wow, I guess this is a stand? Is it? Wow, that's so beautiful. Is it a stand? Yeah, it is. Oh, I love it. That's so beautiful. And then obviously we have the strap, which it's gonna be helpful to me because I don't have very steady hands and I don't want to drop, I definitely don't want to drop this camera, so this is gonna be a lifesaver for sure. So wow, I'm really happy with this. I love this color. It's so beautiful. Anyhow, let's put it all together. So I guess I have to open this one. Wow, and this, you can see the awesome lens in it. And I'm gonna try without breaking it. I'm really gonna try hard to put it together. So I believe, I saw Yanni doing this a million times. I've never actually done it. So please don't break. How does this go? Voila. I heard a click, so I think it's in it. And this is the awesome lens. I love it. I'm so excited. This is our unboxing, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to show you the quality of the videos and the pictures. And today I'm actually going to test it out with my brother, Daniele, which is filming right now. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know what videos you would like to see next. So I'm gonna try to do that. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.